If you've been managing Mac OS machines for a while, you've probably dealt with Apple installer packages, and you may have noticed that there are a couple different types or styles of packages. First, bundle package. It was the original format of Apple packages. It was available with OS 10 1.0 or 0.0, I guess. Like application bundles, a bundle style package is really just a directory of files. So if we control click, I'm going to segue here for a moment. Right click, what does that mean for users? So I always say control click because there's always a control key. There may not be a right click button on the mouse. If we control click on a bundle package, you get a contextual menu. We can see an item called show package contents. If we select that, we can see the package is actually a directory of folders or files. So all the stuff is packaged up inside a single directory. The flat package format was introduced in macOS 10.5, and instead of a directory of files, a flat package is just a single file. If we control click on a flat package, we will see that there is no show package contents option because this is just a single file. We can also see that difference at the command line. Up here, D stands for directory, and it tells us that the package is a directory, and therefore it is a bundle style package. And even though flat packages have been around since macOS 10.5, so over 10 years ago, some vendors have continued to distribute packages in that bundle package format as recently as this year. Adobe. So we can list the contents of graphic converter package since it's a bundle style package. If we try the same thing with a flat package, we just get the package file itself. So starting in macOS 14.4 a few months ago, if you tried to install a bundle style package, you got a new deprecation warning. And this warning appeared at both the command line and in the GUI with the installer application. And it warns us that this package will be incompatible with a future version of macOS. And as I mentioned yesterday, that future version of macOS is macOS 10.15, because if you try to install a bundle style package under that OS, it just stops. It won't do it. It tells you I don't support this version of package. So, and you see that also at the GUI, same sort of warning. So they're dead. If you have bundle style packages, you will not be able to install them in macOS Sequoia. So what are you going to do? You might have some still, especially if you use any Adobe software. You might still have some in your software repo, in your Jamf repo or your Monkey repo. What are you going to do about them? Well, obviously the easiest thing to do is get rid of them, right? But of course you need to make sure that people aren't actually using any of that software that is installed via bundle packages. So if you are, you could convert them. And by convert, I really mean you have to build a new flat package that replicates what the bundle style package did. Now, there are some tools that can help with that. Monkey package, which is a script that is part of the Monkey suite of tools but doesn't actually require Monkey itself, does have limited support for importing packages. It can import bundle style packages, and then it'll create a project file that you can use to build a flat package. That works only with really simple basic packages. If you fed an Adobe bundle style package to it, there's no effing way that's going to work. No. But if you have a few, like maybe you've got some small configuration packages you built 10 years ago that are bundle style, you might be able to easily convert them to flat. If you can't replace them or delete them, at least you might want to mark them as incompatible with older OSs. In Monkey supports a maximum OS field for items, so I could go through my Adobe packages and mark them all as maximum OS version 14.99. I don't think Apple is going to update macOS 14 past 9.9, but we could go 14.999 if we wanted to. But before you can do anything with the bundle style packages you may still have, you need to find them. So this actually is a talk about how I solved a problem that I had. I needed to find the bundle packages that were still in my Monkey repo. And in a Monkey repo, all bundle style packages have to be encapsulated inside a disk image. But not all disk images necessarily have a bundle style package inside them. They could have application bundles, they could have flat packages in them. So if I wanted to manually find them, I would have to go through my monkey repo and find all the disk images, open them up, and look inside them to see if they had bundle style packages. And that sounds really boring and tedious. So wrote a script. And that script will look at every item in a monkey repo, see if it is going to be installed via the installer, see if it has a disk image. If it does, opens up the disk image, looks inside to see if there is a bundle style package, and then it gives you all of that fun information in terms of a list of what it found. If you use Monkey, you can use the script. It's available today. It's available in the Mac admin scripts repo on GitHub under the Monkey organization. And you're welcome.